Welcome to my guide on the best glass blender for smoothies. Let's be honest, plastic blenders look and feel cheap. And to make matters worse, food smells can often linger on the plastic, which is a nightmare when you want to make smoothies and salsas on the same day, let me tell you. Furthermore, many people are concerned about microplastics leaching into their food and drink, which is making glass blenders yet more popular. So, whether you want a glass jar blender for health, durability, aesthetics, or all of these reasons, my list of the best glass blenders has something for everyone. You'll find the links to each product mentioned in my glass blender reviews in the description box below. If you want a sturdy glass blender that can tackle everyday tasks like smoothies and soups, the Black & Decker PowerCrush could be right up your alley. This glass jar blender sports a robust motor that operates at 700 watts at peak performance, ideal for crushing ice and blending fruits into smooth concoctions. Similarly, the Quad Pro blade design delivers a blending vortex to process ingredients with impressive efficiency, especially for the price. For those appreciative of convenience, the easy pour spout and sealable lid minimize messes, and the fact that the key components can be cleaned in the dishwasher saves precious time. And unlike plastic jars, the 6-cup glass jar doesn't retain smells, so you can use it regularly without worrying about accidentally mixing undesirable food combinations. In terms of longevity, the sturdy glass jar offers a premium feel compared to plastic options, and the multiple speeds grant control over consistency, from chunky salsas to velvety purees. The machine's 4 settings adjust to your recipe's needs, pushing the limits of what you might expect from a countertop blender. Overall, this Black & Decker blender finds a balance between performance and ease of use, making it the best glass pitcher blender for those on a budget. The number 4 product on my best glass smoothie blender list is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, which is a really popular choice. If you're in search of a glass blender that balances functionality with affordability, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher might be your match with its multifunctionality and robust ice crushing abilities. Hamilton Beach's reputation is built on reliability and innovation, and this blender seems to respect that legacy. Catering to those keen on versatile kitchen gadgets, it strikes an impressive figure with its multifunctionality. From pureeing to ice crushing, its array of options makes it a true workhorse that's capable of tackling various culinary tasks. Compared to plastic options, you can anticipate a more velvety consistency in your smoothies, shakes, or purees, courtesy of the patented technology inside this machine. The wave action system is crafted to ensure that all ingredients are continuously pulled into the blades, which should negate the need to periodically stop and stir. Simplicity in maintenance is another advantage. A dishwasher-safe jar and blades should cut down on your cleanup time significantly. After all, convenience is a key component of modern kitchen appliances, and this blender appears to have been designed with that in mind. For example, I find glass way easier to get clean than plastic. The only downsides to consider are the weight of the glass jar and the noise level, 2 aspects of the product that might not be for everyone. Other than that, this is a really good glass blender. Checking in at number 3 is the versatile Cuisinart SmartPower Duet, which I rate as the best glass blender food processor combo on the market today. Multitasking in the kitchen becomes effortless with this device, as it switches from a robust blender to a proficient food processor in seconds, catering to a range of culinary tasks. The touchpad controls are intuitive with clear LED indicators, simplifying the process whether you're blending smoothies or chopping veggies. Also, the heavy-duty 500-watt motor is designed to stand up to everyday use, making it a practical addition to any kitchen setup. For many of us, finding space for multiple large kitchen gadgets can be frustrating, but this 2-in-1 appliance conserves room without compromising on performance, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or for those who appreciate minimalism. More than just saving space, the Cuisinart SmartPower Duet's ease of use is noticeable, with straightforward assembly and cleaning thanks to its user-friendly design and dishwasher-safe parts. Although the 40-ounce blending jar isn't huge, It's still perhaps the best glass jar blender for those seeking a more compact option, especially when you consider that you're effectively getting 2 kitchen gadgets in one. As with any appliance, consider how it aligns with your needs. This model isn't just a blender, but a food processor too, which might be an overkill for someone who only wants to make the occasional smoothie. However, for culinary enthusiasts who value efficiency and versatility, this is definitely the best glass blender food processor combo that I've come across. Now, for the runner-up, and it was a close call, let me tell you, if you're in the market for the best blender with glass jar, the PowerXL SmartPro blender and its huge 68-ounce glass jug might just be the one for you. In today's fast-paced world, a kitchen gadget that saves time without compromising on quality is a precious ally. The PowerXL SmartPro blender offers not just speed, but also a degree of finesse with its smart sensing technology. Like a seasoned smoothie guru, this blender detects what's inside the glass jar and adjusts its speed accordingly, serving up blends that are smooth to perfection. Your experience with blenders might have taught you that power is paramount. Well, with 1800 watts at your fingertips, the PowerXL ensures you have enough muscle for those ice-based drinks or fruit-filled smoothies. Moreover, the titanium-coated blades are built to last, tackling the toughest blending tasks without breaking a sweat. But this glass blender doesn't just stop at power and smart tech. It takes pride in user control. The infinite speed slider stands out, allowing you to tweak the blending speed with precision, giving you the power to perfect anything from silk smooth soups to chunky salsas. Similarly, the added convenience of pre-programmed settings makes common tasks a single button affair. On balance, the PowerXL SmartPro blender's intelligent design and potent performance could very well revolutionize your blending routine if you're looking for the best blender with glass pitcher on the market. So, what is the best glass blender for smoothies that you can buy today? Based on my research and testing, the Oster Pro 1200 blender is the best glass smoothie blender available. From pureeing soups to crushing ice, the blender's 3 pre-programmed settings and dual direction blade technology work in harmony to serve up smooth results. The extra wide 3.5-inch blade tackles tricky ingredients with ease, offering you smoother blends in less time. The inclusion of a 24-ounce smoothie cup adds convenience for those on-the-go mornings, allowing you to take your drinks directly with you, making the Oster Pro 1200 the best glass personal blender by a mile. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe glass jar, which also maintains its integrity against thermal shock. Also, with 7 speed settings, you're afforded maximum precision over your blend so that you can achieve the ideal consistency to suit your taste preferences. Longevity is a standout feature as well, with the Oster Pro 1200 backed by a decade-long warranty on its all-metal drive. This speaks volumes about the confidence Oster has in its durable design and build quality. Now, you can really see why I rate this as the best glass jar blender on the market. And there you have it, the best glass blender for smoothies that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a glass jar blender, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.